it's Bonnie LaFrac at the Fitness Asylum. I have a little message for you today. This is actually one of my most favorite topics, the myth of maintenance. So if you have ever lost weight, raise your hand. And if you have ever gained that weight back, raise your hand. You're with me? Did you raise your hand? I usually have a lot of kickoffs that we do at our Fitness Asylum for whether it's our 12-week body challenge, our 8-week beach body, or the spread, like all the different programs we do. And one of the ways I open up that event is ask that question. Have you ever lost weight without trying, not the, stomach virus or a tapeworm or something like that, but that you tried to lose weight and you did, congratulations. And then you gained it back, right? So we don't want to do that. That's not fun. It's a lot of hard work to lose weight, but let's face it, the harder work, right, is maintaining the lost weight. It's a whole different environment. And unfortunately, when you lose weight, no matter how you lost the weight, whether it was with us or doing whatever you're doing, you could be at Weight Watchers or Nutrisystem or Jenny Craig or wherever you are, doesn't really matter. If you've lost the weight, you know this because you've lost weight before. You don't go to some special maintenance island where you get to live and do whatever you want, right? You don't get to go back and eat the things you did prior to losing weight in the same quantity and quality and all of that stuff. You can't go exactly back to what you were doing, or guess what? Of course you're gonna gain the weight back. So a lot of people hate me saying this. Very often after people have lost weight and they've been in one of our programs, they say, okay, so now what do I do for maintenance? And I say, the same thing you did to lose the weight. Not popular, right? That makes people not like me at all. I'm just being honest. The truth really is, everything that you did to lose weight, yes, you have to keep doing that. Will you have some leeway? Yes, maybe, depending on who you are, right? You have to really know yourself. How much leeway can you handle, right? A lot of us do need structure and we need accountability. We need it like little guardrails on the highway, or as one of my clients said, like the rumble strip, right? You need that rumble strip to like get you back in line. It's very easy to go overboard or off track. And sometimes when we go off track, we stay there. So as you're losing weight, or if you have lost weight, really think about how much can you color outside the lines and still maintain your lost weight. I have to tell you, it will be very little. It could be Friday night, I get to have 2 glasses of wine. Or on a Sunday night, I get to have Italian dinner with my family. But that's it. Don't let that spill over into I start drinking Thursday night and then all day Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I do whatever I want, which was completely different than what I did to lose the weight. So the myth of maintenance applies to many different things in your life. You don't water your lawn 1 time or 2 times or for 2 weeks or for even 4 weeks and expect it to stay green all summer long. You don't get a big promotion at work that you really hustled for, right? You wanted that new job, you worked really hard, and then you got the promotion, and then, I don't know, you don't show up for work, you come in late all the time, you don't answer the phone, you don't do anything that your boss tells you, you start going further and further away from all the things you did to get that new job. The myth of maintenance applies to everything in your life, every relationship, your financial status, all of it. But since you're here watching me, you're probably thinking more about health and fitness and your weight loss. So, like it or not, if you're looking to maintain your lost weight, you do have to do everything that you did to lose the weight, because here's the deal, every diet works. Yeah, I said that, every diet works. If you can sustain it. It's all about sustainability. So I hope that helps you out. Looking forward to chatting with you more. Have a great day.